Hi guys, so let's agree on this point that even a pandemic can't stop any exams from coming. So let's discuss how you can strategize, plan and ace your KROK exam in these 70 days. KROK 1 is a national medical exam held in Ukraine for all the third year medical students. In this, all the subjects from first year till third year will come in this exam. That is anatomy, histology, medical biology, physiology, biochemistry, microbiology, pathophysiology, pathomorphology, and pharmacology. Woof, that's a lot of subjects, so let's plan together. But before that, I would just like to say that all of these advices that we are going to give is based on our experiences, and trust me, we actually prepared for KROK in the last 70 days. These are the few things that you should keep in mind. First, practicing MCQs. Second, building your concepts. Third, memorizing one-liners. And fourth, revising the subjects. So in the last 70 days, what you can do is you can divide these 70 days into 3 parts. So right now for like 20-25 days, you can just complete your missed subjects or missed topics. You can build your concepts. Whatever you are forgetting, you can just write it down on a copy or your register. And the next half, say 10-15 days, just memorize all the one-liners, all the things that are to be memorized. But don't forget to do MCQs. MCQs that were given to you by all the university departments. Do them because they include new questions. So these new questions will help you broaden your concept, and in the examination hall, it will help you improvise. And in the third phase, that is, say you will have 1 month left, keep doing your questions from the previous year question papers that you will find on eNeutron, and also keep doing the MCQs that were provided by the university. Along with that, even if you have some subjects, some topics that are remaining, you can still complete it, but give majority of your day to doing the questions. So in short, the last month strategy should be do the questions that are given to you by the university and do the previous year MCQs. Previous year question papers are really important. The trick of doing these questions are to not memorize it, to not cram it. But if you are doing the questions and whatever the right answer is, just find why that answer is correct, so that even if the question comes in the similar way, but the format of the question is different, even then you will be able to answer it because the concept behind it is clear. Hope that this helps you. Thank you. Bye.